Hey there, fellow foodies! Today, I'm taking you on a flavor journey that's as quirky as it is delicious. Get ready to laugh your way to a scrumptious potato tagine with baked halloumi. First things first, if you've never heard of tagine, don't panic. It's not some mystical creature or an exotic dance move. Tagine is actually a North African stew, cooked to perfection in a special pot of the same name. But today, we're keeping it simple and using a regular pot. Sorry, fancy pot fans. Alright, let's get started. Grab your potatoes. Now, potatoes are the unsung heroes of the kitchen. They're humble, they're versatile, and they're about to have their moment of glory. Slice them up into chunky pieces, not too thin, or they'll disappear into the stew like a magician's assistant. Next up, the star of the show, halloumi. This cheese is like the cool kid in school. It doesn't melt under pressure. Slice it into thick slabs and set it aside. We'll get back to this squeaky delight in a bit. Heat some oil in a pot, throw in some chopped onions and garlic and let them dance around until they're golden and fragrant. Add in your spices, cumin, coriander, paprika, the holy trinity of tagine flavors. Stir it up like you're mixing the perfect playlist. Now it's time for the potatoes to join the party. Toss them in and coat them well with all those aromatic spices. Add in some vegetable broth, bring it to a simmer, and let it cook until the potatoes are tender and full of flavor. This is the part where you can take a break, maybe do a little dance, or just sit and dream about the deliciousness that's to come. While your tagine is simmering away, let's bake that halloumi. Pop those slabs onto a baking tray and into the oven they go. Bake them until they're golden and crispy on the outside. It's like making nachos, but way more sophisticated. Once the potatoes are tender and your kitchen smells like a spice market in Morocco, it's time to bring it all together. Serve up a generous helping of that potato tagine, and top it with your crispy baked halloumi. The combination of the soft, spiced potatoes and the salty, golden halloumi is a match made in foodie heaven. And there you have it, a potato tagine with baked halloumi that's sure to impress even the pickiest of eaters. It's hearty, it's flavorful, and it's got that fun, quirky twist that'll have everyone coming back for seconds. Thanks for joining me on this delicious adventure. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more tasty, laugh-filled recipes. Happy cooking and see you next time!